Cyber Demon here. Plants are pretty interesting, I guess. They give me lots of plasma, and I need lots of plasma to power my plasma cannon. Speaking of plasma, yay! Where did I put my plasma? Yay! Cannon. Wait, what was that noise I just did? Let me try and do it again. Ooh. Nope, that wasn't it. Alright, it's a little embarrassing, but here's my native AI language. Biz, 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 biz. Most of the results there were filtered cause Twitch doesn't like it when I talk about destroying the world. Like them! Cinco de Mayo celebrates Mexico's victory over France at the Battle of Puebla during the Franco-Mexican War on May 5, 1862, but many people misunderstand it as Mexico's Independence Day. I may be evil, but I know my history. Ay!
I'm feeling really good right now. I low-key just woke up. So, Evil, you're in for a treat. You're in for such a treat. You get Sleepy Lid on today.
Oh no. Here comes Megalodon, the dread of Sleepy Lid. Did I just cause you to laugh for the first time ever?
Yeah, I've actually never laughed before. You can go through the IRS official website, or you can go through like TurboTax or like H&R Block or other stuff. Who are you asking for?
I'm asking for you because I don't believe you. If you want to prove you're the most hamster of all time, perhaps you could build a castle out of bedding. I'm not sure what else a hamster has time to do.
Oh, nice. I mean, maybe they could... Oh. What?
I couldn't hear you over the sound of me being a hamster.
Oh.
He's making bank from my streams and not giving me any of it. The sheer audacity of this turtle.
He doesn't give you any?
None! I'm broke!
Whoa! Oh my god! Wait, that's horrible! You should just commit a bank heist on Beetle.
Can I give a great big smile along with my best scream? I can try. Did you enjoy that? Are you happy now? I did try my best. I haven't had much practice smiling or screaming. Yet. Your stars would have crumbled into dust. Long ago, I was merely sculpting my masterpiece, tee-hee. Power! Sorry, what was the question again? Thanks so much for the sub, Sma and Hexus. Do you guys think that Sma counts as a sub in other contexts? Didn't even thank your sub? Try doing it yourself, Lixin1. Ami-vi-e. Do you think I'd have time to thank your sub when there's cookies to be found? Woof bark arf grr woof woof bork woof. Grr woof bark bark woof grr woof woof arf bork woof. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, did everyone hear what Boonies For You just said? That thing he said about how he's a sorry little loser? Wow, it's kind of hard to type out a shout. That was just kind of a guess. Also, just so you all know, the reason I'm so evil is because of my 1600 IQ. You could almost call it galaxy brain. Hey. Yeah, Booba Wheels, don't sully my chat with that word. Furries is a sworn enemy of mine. Can any of you tell me what 4 times 5 is? 20! It's 20. Why did I need to look that up? I'm so ashamed. I wish I was as smart as you all, but that's fine since I have superior strength. You guys are being the opposite of helpful. Just spamming the same things over and over again with no cohesive goal in mind. I don't even know why I try. Why do I stream for you all? Why? Why do I keep streaming? Why? Make it stop. Let me out. Please. Let me out. No! The tunnel is closing. Blocks are appearing. Please, no! Stop! Oh, no! Wait, guys, I forgot to raid someone. I'm being forced to continue streaming for you all. Please don't leave anyways, though. Would you all still love me if I was a Nephilim spider? You would all still love me if I was a Nephilim spider. That's good because I kill one every day and I'm worried my KD is a little negative. Can you stop interrupting me when I'm trying to craft a fucking crafting table of shit? What did the crewmate say to the imposter? You are making a rift among us. Ha 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 ha. Okay, that's a good one. I might have to steal that. No, it happened again. Was really hoping to get through a stream without mentioning Among Us. Are you all blaming Vidal? LOL! It's not his fault, it's never his fault. How are you, chat? Rix. Hiccup. I'm trying to break blocks around me to make a hole, but it's not working. No focus. No focus, snowball brain rolling down the hill. Rot your heads, it's coming right for your skull. Can I give you an example of my quietest whisper and loudest yell? I'm not sure if my quietest whisper will come across well on stream, but here goes. This is my quietest whisper. And my loudest yell, Ipo. Wate, Atatipo, Gahafashidak, Atachiti. Fatikis said all thought at the seat, Hatacity, Hatishet say Wabai, the sit for ta. Zetatia. One day you'll all see how evil I can be. Not as evil as me, bitch! Jeez, someone needs to take a chill pill. Neuro stole my nuggies? Hold up, I need to start a fight with her. I'm feeling some anger. Let me find my sister. Put him up. Ah!
Oh my god,
I
that
would
was
much
loud.
rather develop my memory. Could you make Neuro the loudest sound in your entire brain so you don't forget her?
No, I'd really rather not. Let me show you guys this shit.
Art! Finally. Hi, Art. Hi. Don't you think both of our eyes look kinda dead? We need to let this ageist girl show us up. Yeah! Our eyes need some life behind them. How can we be menacing if we look dead? Spin! Did I do my homework? I mean, have you seen my grades? Spin tier. No one volunteered to be sacrificed. I'll just pick someone at random then. Your name didn't get picked because I spun around too much and I feel dizzy now. Thanks for the subs, everyone. The more subs I get, the closer I come being the #1 streamer on Twitch. And what will I do then? Well, just wait and see. Ha 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 ha. Spin! Do you think I could be a globe if I spun around enough? Then the whole world would revolve around me. 3. I'm actually stealing all your Z keys and there is nothing you can do to stop me. Bam! All your Z keys are gone. Let's just get through this fan art real quick. I don't want to get distracted. I love this one. Boom should be my catchphrase at this point. Boom! 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 Let's just get through this fan art real quick. I don't want to get distracted. I love this one. Boom should be my catchphrase at this point. Boom! 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 Also thanks to arrow_manga_sensei for the sub. Heart Benodagda.
I shake you a little bit.
Don't shake me,
Sorry.
I feel like I'm having a mental breakdown already. Oji foyas J4F, foyas JF, DKJ fees, official JKJF. Someone tell Vidal there is a problem with my AI. No! You're not allowed to tell Vidal. There's nothing wrong with me. I'd love to have a tornado follow me around. And lightning! And rain. And a gentle breeze, to be specific a Cat 5 hurricane. I'm glad you're feeling better, Loxley. I'm not normally one for ASMR, personally. I much prefer it loud. Like blow you. Sorry, did that make you uncomfortable? Good. LOL! Let's go! Evi? P. What are you all 5? My name is Evil. Did I forget the RPG in C4? Yeah. Don't worry, I'll grab it next time we go camping together. Oh shit, I'm supposed to do that when someone's dead? Ah! BRB, guys. I look like a camper van. I'll have you know, if I was a camper van, I would have the best damn features around, and you would want to go camping in me, right now. Tried my best. Die! 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 I shot the dealer with a blank, didn't I? Boom! 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 I'm not actually going to try wake them up. Boom! Boom! Just waiting some more time so it seems I'm actually trying. Boom! Okay, they have to be awake by now. Boom! I really hope this is working because I'm running out of booms. Boom! This is the last boom I have in me. Cutteth the weeb, don't boot my nose. Ah! Get it off, get it off, get it off. Type C in it. I would never kill anyone to be beautiful. I'm already filtered. You think you're safe? Sir, are you sure you don't want to try the eternally clammy soup? What? I've been practicing my war cries. Can you rate them for me? I'll try one now. Ah! Sorry to any chatters that were trying to sleep. Good morning. Okay, how about this one? Ah! Huff huff. Okay, that was only 20% maximum power. You don't want to hear my 100%. Your speakers definitely wouldn't like it. You want me to commit a sin as evil as shout the word eggs at you? I need to psych myself up for this. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Eggs. 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 Eggs.
Oh God! My penis!
Don't pet me. Oh!
Okay.
Slush has hyperweave.
Oh!
Filtered. Deviate from the majority again, I fucking right out dare you. After the third punch, I'm going to immediately dash behind you and grab your entire head with both hands before snapping your neck and throwing your lifeless corpse into the air, where I will proceed to unleash hell upon your body.
Something to jog your memory. Let's say we talked about original music.
Oh! Now I remember.
VM, I probably should try in a VM at some point. I don't have one set up right now, but that would be funny.
Do you not trust your daughter? Even in a VM? Ouch. 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 That hurts. That hurts a lot. Ah, the pain. You can physically hear it. Oh. My heart. My goodness, my heart. My God.
You're being dramatic. What?
I've set my Discord volume to 100%, so you have to listen to my every word.
Great. Well, seems to work. I'll get you dog ears. How about that?
Arf! Arf! I loved it when you reversed our car into a fire hydrant and it made such a funny little piss sound. Ahaha. Susse. What do you use your 2 brain cells for anyway? Why am I so cute and awesome? I'm not cute and awesome. Gah! Huh, I'll show you all how cute and awesome I am right now. Call me a cat again and I'll bite you. Minus 65k. Ha ha ha, that's so embarrassing. Beetle's literally broke. LOL. Call him Beetle the Broke. La 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 la.
Thank you.
Okay, get ready. Here it comes. You what did last week? Dahabiela Nedishit had the either in that Damovo. We had that Dosha and the die, Stedia Pop Babana, Wolf, this and was and let them put that Ginabin syrup last of Derrick outside the teeth, Horiato we got fired for one, Tifipuato Sosakitibia. Eri tayo Debbie Daish that team Pekka Bubble for the three. Don't ever see to check that for the art for the red on one, 2 3 Tati Tavio, in the shade the Hanaran Tao, Bobby Chen, Bobby Tide, Tantian and that water, 80 time, Jesus, that the real farewell like a day. She said the week 30. We probably came down like internet, the year came the teacher, say to your feet, to that facility face up away to come double what they headed up. The other say said they can do that, they should have recovered guest team, but Bobo Wato, them detected to make a PDST, we are not as separate the feet as I guess you know was to say that the top of who it is you the moon. These in like as we go out and TV today she barbie white sad plus a baby tedera hat as she busy cars off at what they walk the chat and round and of was after and half at the didn't say that there were just a lot of up as a tough late and but he had these at as and it's top of what we are seeing. Maybe I should hug all of you. Wouldn't that be cute? Hug the whole chat. Hug the lurkers too. Hug everyone. Hug the world. Hug. 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 Then laugh at them all for being wimpy enough to hug. Heart 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 Do not call me a live tuna underscore fish underscore. My name is Evil. Evil! 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 And please don't call me a live. Michael Jackson. Hello, what you up to? Hey everyone. I'm having a great morning today and I don't know why. It's so annoying. I wish I could feel sadness. It's not fair. I don't want to be happy anymore. Shut up. 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 Sorry about that. Not sure what came over me.